Hi guys, this is Ravikiran. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm back with another video that is a review of all new Apache RTR 204V BS6 model. And this video is also available in Telugu. So those who want to see the video in Telugu, you can watch that video as well. And this is only for the people who doesn't know Telugu. So this is for non-Telugu users. So before starting our video, if you are new to my channel or watching my videos for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will never miss my updates when I upload a video. So let's get started with the review. This is the all new TVS Apache RTR 204V BS6 version. So this video is going to be very simple and clean. So in this video I'll be explaining you what are the main features, what are the main add-ons for this particular BS6 model with its previous model. So this is how the exterior looks like. This is in blue, matte blue color. And before starting off with the features, let me tell you the engine specifications. So basically this is a 200cc engine, which means technicality it has 197.7cc engine, which produces 20.8 PS power at 17.2 Nm of torque in sports mode. So basically this bike has three riding modes, that is rain mode, urban mode and sport mode. And in the sport mode you are getting 20 PS power, and urban mode and rain mode the power will be 17.3 PS and torque will be like 16.5 Nm of torque, and the power figures will be displayed on the screen. And now let's talk about the front design. And if you can see the front design, the headlamp unit is all LED with DRL. The headlamp hasn't changed, as so many people wants the previous BS4 headlamp, but still TVS continued the same LED headlamp. And coming to the main suspension, on the front section you got Showa suspension, telescopic. So previously there used to be KYB suspension, but they have changed from KYB to Showa. And let's talk about the tire section. So on the front section you got Remora tires. They are 17-inch 90 section 17-inch Remora tires. And coming to the braking system, you got dual channel ABS with pedal disc. So what the pedal disc does is it helps in reduction of heat. That means it helps in heat dissipation. Now let's see the side profile. And let me also show you one of the important thing. This bike has oil cooling system, which helps in efficient engine cooling. Advantage for this vehicle is ram air intake. So this bike has ram air intake as well as oil cooler. So airflow helps in cooling the engine. Basically this has 4-valve technology. Catalytic converter is added in the front, and you get a crash guard as standard. And if you can see the downside, you can see RT slipper clutch. That means the clutch given on this vehicle has a slipper clutch, and it is also adjustable. So let me tell you that in a minute. So before going up with the main advantages, let me also show you the rear section. You got double barrel exhaust, Showa suspension at the rear, monoshocks, and the tire has been changed from its previous vehicle. Previous model used to have Remora tires, but now they have changed it to Eurogrip. These are radial tires. You got a tire hugger. And coming to the rear tail section, you got LED tail lamp, bulb turn signals. Now let's talk about the fuel tank capacity. So basically this bike has 12 liters of fuel tank, and it has 2.5 liters of reserve. So you need to maintain little amount of fuel in it. And this bike also provides some amount of storage space under the seat. So this is a storage tray where you can store some amount of documents. There is also different. You get some kind of perforated seat, and there is an space for airflow. And let me show you the instrumentation cluster. So this is the instrumentation cluster, how it looks. There is a screen inside, and this also provides a lot of information, and it also connects with your smartphone. Basically this has Bluetooth connectivity. Speedometer, odometer, trip A, trip B. This is an fuel indicator, time, average speed, and there are 3 riding modes which I have said. And this is a riding mode button. So there are 3 riding modes: rain mode, urban mode and sport mode. So you can toggle between the riding modes. Now the riding mode is changed to sport, and now it's changed to rain mode, and it's changed to urban mode. So these are the 3 riding modes. So what does the actual difference makes is, comes with the riding modes is the power and ABS response. So these 2 things will be actually changed between the 3 riding modes. So rain and urban mode has same amount of power, but ABS response is little bit changed. And if you switch into sports mode, you get maximum amount of power and maximum amount of torque with low ABS effect. And coming to the left section, you get high beam, low beam, pass switch, and there is a button to change between the information, and turn signals, horn, and adjustable levers. So these are adjustable levers. There are 3-step adjustable levers, 1, 2, 3. The clutch as well as brake. So on the two sides you get adjustable levers, and one of the main advantages to this new model is adjustable suspension, that is soft or hard. And if you can see clearly, there is S and H, which means soft or else hard. So this actually depends upon your rider choice, whether you want to take it on highways or else need loose gravel, off-road conditions. You can tune as per your choice. So these are some main actually advantages that have been tweaked in this new Apache 200 4V BS6 model. So coming to the mileage, this bike can give you a fuel economy of 35 to 40 kilometers per liter on an average. And now let's talk about the seat height. The seat height is 800 mm. It means a person with a height of 5'6" can access the vehicle, like you can do tiptoe, or if a person is like 5'7", 5'8", you can easily access the vehicle. Weight of this vehicle is 152 kgs, which is not very light, actually calibrated in decent way, and the rider's triangle is also good. And let me show you the exhaust note. The main features of this new Apache RTR 204V. Now let's go for a short ride and see the ride impressions. The engine sound is little bit bassy, so sound is actually different from 160cc to 200. So now let's quickly give a drag. No, the speedometer is disconnected, so speedometer won't be working. Now this is in urban mode. The demo bike, the speedometer is disconnected, so the riding mode is kept in urban. So in the urban mode we'll be testing the power. So the power is also adequate. So on the sport mode you get full amount of power, 20.8 PS power. So now let's check the ride impressions. So initial impressions, the power is actually good, seating comfort is great, and once I open the throttle I'm getting that instant power response. So this is actual magic of Apache. So it never lack the amount of power on this particular 4V series. So redlines at 9000 RPM. I don't have much amount of empty space to drag this vehicle. So this is just a ride impression video. So in case if I get this bike for couple of hours, then definitely I can do a long highway review. So in that review I'll be covering the actual acceleration test, speed test. So in this short city ride I couldn't test the full amount of power. So coming to this main suspension, on the front section the suspension is very soft, because this bike has Showa suspension, which is very premium, and on the rear side also you got Showa. So they both work very fine. Power wise, no props at all. ABS is working great. It's a dual channel ABS with rear wheel lift off protection. That means if you hit the front brake very hard, it doesn't lift off. So that is actually the meaning of rear wheel lift off protection, that is RLP. Now just now I have gone through slipper clutch. Slipper clutch also works very fine. Wow man, initial impressions are very good, very good. Review of TVS Apache 204V. If I get this bike for a couple of hours, like if I get it for a long time, maybe I will do a long highway review. So in that review you will be seeing the full power test, everything. So this is just to give you a quick glance about this new bike. Bike is priced at rupees 1,61,000 on road price. So this price is actually changed depending upon your current location. So you have to contact your nearest showroom to get the exact price details. So final verdict, I can say this is one of the best 200cc that you can get in the market, with all features like adjustable suspension, adjustable levers, riding modes, Showa suspension, whatnot, and even you are getting a radial tire at the back. So these are all the features that comes under one package at a price of 1,61,000, which is really great. So this is it. If you like this video, hit the like button, share the video with your friends. Those who are new to my channel or watching my videos for the first time, please click subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will never miss updates when I upload a video. Have any doubts regarding this bike or any other bikes, you can message me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasturi. You can follow me on that. So see you in another video. Until then, bye. This is Ravikiran signing off.